routine. Sometimes it's a necessary for every one of us to flip a routine. Like we are more used to like doing the same thing every day. Every day we get up and go for a gym or go for a walk or anything, and then have breakfast and then go for school, college, or I go for my work and all this. Sometimes just flip it, you know. Sometimes do it something the other way and see what kind of results you get. Sometimes flipping results give us very good, flipping routine give us very good results. Like if you have been studying for 3 hours, just in the morning, then you try to study more than give another 1 hour. See 4 hours of studying, how you perform, what kind of results you get. So like that, if you had been going to the gym in the morning, go in the evening. Sometimes you do that. But then I don't know if you will like going to the gym in the evening, because most of the people likes it in the morning. Or sometimes you're doing some kind of work like generally you get bored. To come out of that boredom, if you're just doing your studies, like okay, so go for some walk or take a stroll somewhere, or see something or do some project that's going to give you more, physicality of doing a work, like students.